Hello, and welcome back to Villa Oliva. So in the last episode, we talked about how we're gonna try to tackle this bathroom and the bedroom next to this one first, so we can create a little comfortable headquarters where we can re-energize and start our day from. In that spirit, we're gonna try to drill a hole through this wall and around the hallway so we can guide the electricity around. We're gonna do that for the first floor and for the second floor, and later also for the basement and the ground floor. But first thing first, we're on the first floor. Let's start with this one.
So we definitely hit the old wiring here. See how old this is. See the installations. Insane. Anyways, the first plan was to get all the old wiring out. You can see the old wiring here. But then we figured, might as well just leave it and cover it up this time instead of tearing it all out. So that was the plan for now. Leaving it all be, covering it up, drilling our holes, and making sure that the electrical system is safe and not interconnected with the old system. That was the plan, but we're tearing it out anyways now, apparently.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
20,000 more to go.
Okay.
New day, new challenge. Yesterday we did that side. Today we're gonna go through this side. However, if you can see, the walls are not equal, as in this wall is further back than this one is. So we're gonna set up the scaffolding on this side, so we'll be able to drill through this wall so we know we're flush with this side.
we're not quite sure if this wall lines up with the other one. It seems that the other one is a little bit further inwards. So to be sure, we're gonna drill from the other side into this room, so we'll end up in the room instead of drilling from this side and ending up in the wall on the other side. It's a beautiful dark red color though.
Ietsjes meer. Ja.
Yeah, looks good.
So it seems that a lot of the old electrical wires are in our way here as well, but I guess we'll make it work. So that is another hole done. So we got a few more holes for this floor, and then we're moving on to the ground floor and basement. But that will be for the next one. So catch you next one. Ciao.
Ciao.